In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a photo in Once Human. So what you want to do, anywhere inside the game, you want to hold down your tab key on your keyboard, and as you can see camera over here. Now simply go with mouse over that camera, so it turns green, and then just release your tab key, and you will see that now this kind of photo menu has opened. And then in here you can play with a lot of stuff. You can change the type, so you can go first person or encircle character, and then you can simply zoom out or zoom in, move around the screen. As you can see, you can change the template, field of view, flip, anything you want, and then you can change over here. You can change, as you can see, the depth of field, you can change the character and what you want to show, and then you can also add some effects such as exposure and contrast and stuff like that. You can also change texture, and then you can change the weather, so you can have it either real time, you can have it, let's say, thunderstorms over here, and then you can have the time. It can be dusk, as you can see, it can be noon, morning, real time, night, so you can do pretty much anything you want, okay? And now in here you can also add a sticker if you would like to, okay? You can add a sticker, as you can see, you can move it around the screen, so it allows you to basically completely customize everything on your picture. And then once you're done and once you're ready to take your photo, what you want to do is press enter key on your keyboard, and there we go. You've successfully taken your photo, and as you can see, you can then select if you want the watermark and if you want the profile over there, and then you can either download it over here, add a comment, or save it to Once Human album. So that's it. That's how you take a photo in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.